Learning window. A. Some nouns cannot be counted, such as milk, bread, juice and honey. Nouns that refer to things that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. We do not use a, an or one before uncountable nouns. Examples: there is a honey in the spoon. Wrong. Pour 2 honey in the glass. Wrong. For writing uncountable nouns, we write as follows: a lot of, a little, some, few, a tube of, a pinch of, a cup of, etc. Examples: pour some honey in the bowl. Put a pinch of salt in the bowl. B. Many nouns can be counted, such as mangoes, oranges, apples, and eggs. Nouns that refer to people or things that we can count are called countable nouns. We use words like a, an, or one before singular countable nouns. Examples: a pen, an orange, 1 cat. We use words like 2, 3, or many before plural countable nouns. Examples: 2 pens, 3 eggs, many apples.